Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we are taking a little step away from the STI. I've been driving it and just stacking miles on it. But being that we have to do a bunch of repainting and it is Labor Day, all the paint stores are of course closed. So today we are finally working on Bobbi's Evo 10. We have a few things to fix on the car, and then we have a whole laundry list of mods.
Nice.
This thing's so fucked up.
You think?
Number one, it fucking runs like shit. Number two, fuck this battery. Optimus sucks ass. This car is a non-SSS. As you guys know, we put on the V-Lane headlights with OEM Mitsubishi SSS ballast bulbs and igniter cords. When I made that video installing them, everything appeared that it worked fine. But if you go drive the car, they will like flicker and then turn off at night. To fix that issue, let me go to Bobbi's shelf. Elf on the shelf.
I have a shelf?
You have two shelves.
Wow.
You get so many mods for your car. You need this. This is a relay harness. It's only like 40 bucks on eBay. I'll link this down below. If you're gonna put HIDs on your non-SSS, you need this, okay? I'll link it down below. Also, Bobbi, I got this for you.
I love you. You're not gonna say it back?
This shit looks whack. There. I mean, it's kind of funny looking red. I should do a carbon one, but that was 6 and a carbon's 100. So I'm gonna slap this on real quick, get these headlights working. We're gonna aim the headlights. The overflow or the catch can, there's a drain valve in it, but unfortunately the drain valve leaks. So it's like draining itself wherever it wants to. Bobbi, where's the drain valve? Oh, I got these for you. A gift.
What
I know you want these. Ah, full.
Ooh, those are way snazzier.
Nice, smoked. Guess what? They're sequential too.
Seriously?
Yeah, we can put these on later.
Today?
Absolutely, my guy.
Okay.
We got the old valve out. That does not work, but it leaks constantly. And we got a new valve. Gonna go ahead and tape this guy up, slap it in, and put a nice little hose on it too. And I'll teach Bobbi how to drain her catch can. And my rule of thumb, Bobbi, is every time I get gas, I'll reach down in there, pop the valve. You gotta make sure you close it when you're done, and you're good to go.
Got it.
New valve is in. Hose runs all the way to right there. Beautiful setup. What's next?
Wheels. Wheels.
Let me acquire you a wheel.
I haven't even seen them in person yet.
You want to unbox it or you want me to?
I want to.
Crazy, crazy Bobbi. Bobbi's first real wheels. Look at this.
That's a lie. I have real wheels on my STI.
Half real. I don't know. Comment below, boys. Are 4 stars real?
Why are they buttoned up so much? Kidding.
Do you like them?
Yes, I love them.
Remember you thought they're going to be yellow and we had to powder coat them?
Yeah, I know. I was expecting to like open up purple wheels or something.
Do you like them?
I love these.
If you don't like them, I'll trade you for my black rays that are over there. So we got Bobbi some matte graphite 57 Extreme. Wait, these are 57 XR. It's like a new model of the 57 Extreme, and they're like identical to the 57 Extreme. So I don't know what the difference is, but here they are in matte graphite, 18 by 10.5 plus 22, and Bobbi doesn't like them.
No, what? Why do you say that, honey? I think these are like the sexiest wheels you can ever get.
She's mad they're not black.
I did want black, but I do love this color. Devin had this on his one of his old cars.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna test fit this wheel on the car for Bobbi, and if she doesn't like it, then I'm gonna put the black rays on, because I have these same wheels in black. You got her?
No. I'm gonna hate them.
I knew it.
Just kidding. Please don't put that in there.
Do you like them?
Yes, I love them.
Okay, this is option 1. Okay. Just before you make up your mind, of course that's fired. Wait, I'm just gonna do the other side. Option 2.
I like them both. Oh, let me go look at the other side.
It's a whole lot of black, my friend.
Hold on, I gotta look at the other side.
Bobbi can't decide.
Frick, they're literally both. Can we just do one side this and the other side that? The one thing that I'm running into with this color is it literally like matches the paint on my car.
Comment below, 57 XRs in the matte graphite, or do we do the 57 FXX in the gloss black? I think the matte graphite looks better.
I kind of like, I like this.
I'm proud of you. You're finally growing out of your all black everything stage.
Well, hold on, let me look one more time. I don't know. I like them both, but I think I'm gonna have to go with that. See, I told you I like them.
So Bobbi finally made up her mind. We're gonna run the matte graphite, which of course we bought them for this car. They look better on this car. All black, everything's kind of sus. Wheels are mounted and balanced. Now the $1 million question. Do you want to make them easier to wash or harder to wash?
You want to ceramic coat them?
Do you want to ceramic coat them?
Yeah. Is that even going on?
She needs to be slammed.
She really, really does. Moment of truth will be down on the ground, and then we'll know from there how much lower we gotta go.
Well, they're springs. We gotta put coils on it.
Yeah.
But goddamn, that looks pretty sweet, my guys, my good friends. So we got the wheels ceramic coated. Like every damn day, I'm ceramic coating. I know, but it's cool. Sheesh.
It looks so much better.
It looks hilarious. I hate springs.
I know, me too.
We need a coil over the world. Oh, by the way, 265, 35, 18, Kenda Kaiser KR20. You wanna know something secretive?
Yeah.
These would be a direct swap onto your STI. So if you don't want to put your STI wheels on here, you can.
Ooh,
Do the same fitment.
But I have 19s on my STI, right?
Huh?
These are 18s.
It doesn't matter.
Beefy.
Meats. That's what we call the meats. Bobby, I'm kind of feeling wingless on this car. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm not. That's not even an option.
Oh, yeah. We have the meats. How does that look?
A little ridiculous.
So ever since we got this car, Bobby's been wanting black wheels. And I said, Bobby, listen to me. Matte graphite on this car is gonna look so damn good. She didn't believe me. We unboxed the wheels. I could honestly tell that she wasn't too stoked on the wheels. And then we got them on the car and Bobby just so happened to pop a Woody.
I absolutely love them, and I'm super happy I went with that color, not black.
Now, of course, Bobby wants this car lowered a lot, but I don't think we're gonna go as low as her STI because this thing actually makes power, unlike her Subaru.
This makes 100 more horsepower.
It feels about 500 more though, huh? So we are gonna lower this car down a little bit. I'm currently in the process of convincing Bobby to leave this car wingless, but that's a work in progress. This thing looks absolutely bonkers with the gram lights on it. I love it. It looks so good. Currently slapping in some sequential smoked out little side marker things. Let's see if she works. Oh.
It's working? Whoa, that looks nice.
Good morning. It's the next day. Bobby and I got tired last night and I decided, you know what, screw the headlight wiring, I'll do it today. But before we do that, Bobby wants, what do you want?
So I really wanted to put the stock trunk back on and the stock wing with the gurney flap because we don't have an APR wing to put on this trunk setup right now. But then Devin informed me that if you drill into this trunk with the stock wing, it'll line up with an APR wing. So we're gonna look to find my stock wing and put it on this trunk. First, we gotta make sure it looks good. Where is it? Ah. Oh yeah, that's fire, baby, fire! Hold on.
Bobby, don't drill into the trunk.
I'm drilling into the trunk, I don't care. Oh, I'm not a little baby. Okay, yeah, that's...
Does it look gay or cool, Jared?
What?
This. What looks better?
This wing?
This or this?
Don't ask Jared.
Burn!
But then that.
I'm sorry, go look at Jared's stock car. Take off this gurney flap because it kind of looks better without the gurney flap.
I would do that.
That's what I think too.
This is cool if you didn't have the lip on the trunk.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do to make sure we don't completely destroy this trunk, it's already half destroyed by drilling it, but whatever. Measure 782.9 times, 69 times, and then drill once. So from the edge to right there, 48.3 mil.
What? That's wrong.
Calm down. I know what I'm doing. I've done this before. Template. So technically the first measurements we made, we didn't have to make. I'm curious to see how close I'm gonna be. Would have been close. What do you think? Not bad? Why are you confused? Speak.
Oh, that's sad.
Look at the difference.
I know, I can see, there's literally a line.
You like?
I love it.
Cool. That's a lot going on. I love that gurney flap just with the duckbill in the trunk. It's a lot.
Can I see?
Look from the back too.
It looks really good from the back.
Can I see?
From the back it looks freaking fire.
Oh yeah, it does look good from back here.
Because it sticks out further than this. Wow, I kind of like it. Seriously, makes it look like a completely different car.
Yeah, it needs to go about an inch lower. That does look good. This whole headlight wiring thing was kind of a pain in the ass with the factory bulbs and ballast, but I got it situated. This car is coming right along, my dudes. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think of the wheels and the wing and the gurney flap and all that good stuff. Everything that we installed in today's video, I will link down below. Big thank you to MA Performance for the wheels.
Big thank you to Devin Niemela.
Thank you to Devin Niemela for what?
For building my car with me.
I got you, I got you. The Avalon King ceramic coat sale is still going on, so I'll have all the info down in the description box below as well. Let me know what you guys think of the final outcome, not even close to the final outcome, but the final outcome for today on Berry. Tons, loads. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.